Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This is Dr. Farida Hazwani binti Muhammad Ridzuan. Today, I would like to share with you the steps on how to create quiz using Microsoft Forms. So you just need to log into your USIM email account, Outlook account. So find Forms from here, and then you click Forms. As you can see here, you can choose to create new quiz. Okay, so if you choose new form, you will not be able to set the correct answer. You will not be able to give points for each question, and you will not be able to provide feedback for any wrong answer that have been selected by your students. Okay, so let's go to new quiz. So first, give a title for your quiz. I'm going to insert online quiz 1 as the title for this quiz. And then you may enter a description for the quiz. So I'm just going to write the course code and the course name here. So now to add more or add new question to the quiz, you just have to click this button. And then you have to choose what type of question that you would like to create. For example, you can click choice for multiple choice questions and for true false questions. So you can insert text, video or image here as a question, but I'm just going to insert a text question, which is 16 hexadecimal plus with 1A hexadecimal. You can insert your answer options here. So 30H 2FH. Click add option to add more answer options. H, 31H, 29H. So for each answer option, you can either delete the option, add a feedback or to display a message to the respondent who have selected this answer and tick the correct answer. So 30H is the correct answer. I'm going to tick this one as the correct answer. And I am also going to just give the feedback for the correct answer. Congrats. This is the correct answer. Okay. You can also give points for this question. So let's say if the students have answered this question correctly, they will get 2 points. Okay. And then you can use preview button here to preview the quiz. This is what we'll get. Okay. You can also see based on the computer view or the mobile view. Okay. So as you can see here, now you can only choose one answer. But if we toggle this on, it means that the student is allowed to choose more than one answer as, more options as their answers. Okay. But in this case, there's only one correct answer, so I'm going to toggle this off. Toggle this required button on if you want to make the question mandatory. Okay. And then click the three dot button here to shuffle, to tick the shuffle options. It means that you want to shuffle the answer options. Tick the drop down button here if you would like to see your answers as a drop down. Click maths if your answers involve with mathematical symbols, and click subtitle if you would like to add a subtitle for the question, and click add branching if you would like to add branching. Okay, so add branching can be used if you would like to link the answer options to other questions, other sections, or to the end of form. Okay, and then for each question, you can duplicate the question. You can also delete the question. You can also rearrange the question by moving the question up and down. Okay. I'm going to make all questions as mandatory. Okay, so now let us try to create other type of question by clicking add new button here. And then choose text to create a question that will receive text as the input from the user. So you add answer here by specifying the answer. If you specify the answer, then the quiz can be graded automatically. Otherwise, you would have to manually grade this question. Okay? You can also put extra restrictions for the answers that can be received from the user. Let's say this answer has to be numbers. So I'm just going to choose number, but you can also have more options here. Clicking between, then you have to insert two values. But now, I just want the input from the user to be a number. Okay. This one, all of it is pretty similar to the previous setting. So I'm not going to explain more on that. If your answers are long answer, you can toggle this on. Let us preview this question. Okay. What is the highest value for sign byte? Let's say if I insert a text. You can see here that there is a warning given to the student. The value must be a number. If I insert a number here, then it should be okay. Okay. Okay, let us go back and try to create another one question, which is ranking. Okay, you specify the question and then you specify the options in the correct order. A, B, C. You can add more options by clicking the add options button. And then let's say I'm just gonna give 4 points for this question. Okay. Else, let us preview this question. Now what the students have to do is to rearrange the letters in alphabetical order. Okay. There are several other types of questions that you can create. For example, if you would like your students to submit any file while answering the quiz, you can use the file upload type of question. Okay. And then the file will be submitted to a specified file in your drive. You can also add more type of questions such as date, rating, Likert scale, and net promoter score. But this kind of questions are the questions that you have to manually grade them. Okay, you can also change the theme of your quizzes by clicking the theme button here and choose one of the theme. One of the available theme, and you can see that the background here has been updated. Okay, so you can also organize your questions into sections. Each section will be displayed in different page. So if you have a long list of questions, you might want to organize your questions according to the topic, according to the different type of questions. Then you may create section for the quiz. Okay, let's say I'm gonna add section A. Okay. And then I can also rearrange this one, the third question, into section A, section 2. Okay. So now if you preview, previously all of the questions is in one page. Now you only have 2 questions in the first page. Oh, sorry, you have to answer something because I've stated that all the questions are required. Okay, and then you click next. Now the third question is in section A. Okay, so this is purpose of having a section.